joined the military when I was 18. I was in the from 89 to 93, the first Gulf War. When I got out of the military, I didn't have much going on. Got a call from a manager here, interviewed, ended up getting hired on here as a operator. And here I am today, 18 years later. Whether you've been in the military for 2 years, 4 years, 10 years, you're set in a certain way on how to do things. Just to, step away from that and transition into the civilian life, I think is, well, at least for me, it was a little difficult at first. Offering an apprenticeship that gives you a statewide, countrywide certification instead of going to 2 years or 4 years of college gives you that opportunity to get into a place like this where you can excel. Even though this is a research and development facility, you still have metrics and goals that you have to achieve. Our tenants need to meet deadlines. They're always wanting to, get things through the line, and there's some pressure in doing that. A lot of military, ex-military personnel have experience with pressure. You could come out of the military without a lot of education. You can pick up that certificate and you can make a career. I think that certification and the apprenticeship program is key for getting people that didn't think that would be successful at this and didn't think that they would be able to do it, go to that apprenticeship program, and they're well on their way of making a career out of this. You're learning a skill, you're getting a certificate, and while you're doing that, you're getting paid. You can concentrate on learning. If you have the drive and you show that you're willing to learn, you can be successful. I'm a walking example of that. The industry is booming right now, and I don't see it not booming, going away from that anytime soon. There's positions we can't even fill because we don't have the skilled workforce. I think the military is a great pool to pull from, and advertising and showing them if there's opportunity, I think will go a long way. I think more information, more advertising, and apprenticeship programs, expanding that as much as we can would be beneficial to everybody. I would just say that I'm grateful that the opportunity was there, and I'm hoping that there's a lot more veterans out there that could be just as successful as me. I think what we're doing here in New York is great. I think there's a lot of opportunity for success for everybody.